Ari, can you tell Grandma what you're doing?
This one,
Are you painting a picture?
dragon, ear. Ooh, it's a dragon.
Is that a dragon?
This one, ear. Hey.
Wow, that is a cool dragon, bud.
This one, ear.
Oh, he's got lots of ears.
This one, look at it.
Where's his tail?
Tail.
Give him a tail. Dragons have big, long tails.
Like another here.
Okay. Are you making him some hair?
Trying to get the ball into a hole, but it's
Oh.
got to go through all
Yeah.
the circle first.
There, but three.
So it's a bit complicated.
That is a cool dragon.
Come on, you'll soon get that.
Who is it?
And a dog.
And a dog? A dragon and a dog?
Silver thing. Dog.
Can you see it, Kipper?
Uncle Sammy's making a dragon.
Wow, cool.
Look, cool. What are you making?
Come on then, Kipper.
Ari, what are you painting?
Alright.
Are you painting pretties?
Sorry if you don't get in the hole the first time.
Yes, pretties.
See?
Ooh, that is beautiful.
Stop.
Are you blowing on it? Oh no, let me see.
Yes, Tiger, look.
Dragon.
Yeah, I see that dragon. That is a cool dragon.
Hooray! Yes, well done.
Do you like dragons?
This one.
Do you like dragons, Skylar? Huh?
Where? Oh no. Hard luck, Tiger.
Wow.
Whoa! Beautiful!
Hello, Tiger. Having trouble, Tiger?
Oh, you guys are just so artistic.
I got my board in the hole
Right.
ages ago. Oh, well done.
Uh-oh, Grandma